Alright, so another quick update here after I clean my 3-barrel filter system. It's time to check on my skimmer too, and look at that. You can see right now the cherry tree is blooming, so I'm getting a lot of droppings down here. So I do clean this skimmer once a day now, just to make sure it's running in at full capacity without any strain to the pump. So first I just use my skimmer net to remove most of the debris first. Then I'm gonna try to remove as much of the string algae as possible. Look at that. Look at how much string algae got trapped around here. Holy. So if you notice, I didn't turn on my auto fueler today because it tried to reduce the water level in the pond, so I may need to go down and do some cleaning later on. But oh man, too much string algae. Yeah, it's all because I overfed my fish last year and shut up the filter too early. Well, lesson learned. Look at that. Lots of string algae. Well, I'm gonna remove them one by one eventually. Hopefully they'll be all gone. Well, I'm gonna give this skimmer some credit for keeping my water clean. It works in conjunction with my 3-barrel filter system, because the flow rate of this pump is 4,500 gallons per hour. The 3-barrel pump is only 3170. Yeah, so it helps a bit anyway. So all right, now let's do some more there. Some more flour dropping down here. I just cleaned it. Alright, so now turn off the pump. Skimmer. Alright, so as soon as the pump is off, I pull up this basket right away. Look at that. I just cleaned the green Matala filter 2 days ago. So I think I try to clean that once a week. I got clogged up the other day, so I left it for too long, 2 weeks. So I just pull it up and clean that. But this leaf basket is once a day. And look at that, I just cleaned yesterday and look at today. It's so dirty. Alright, good enough for another day. I see some string algae down here too. Look at that. Basket is back down. Alright, turn the pump back on. Yeah, so it's good for another day. Like I say, the green Metalla I clean once a week. So I clean the skimmer filter once a week, and the 3-barrel every 2 weeks, and the leaf basket every day, once a day. See more debris coming in already. Alright, look at that, guys. Oh, the sun is out, but I can see the water condition has improved. Now it's time to feed my fish now. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching again. Bye for now.